Black Friday Nectar Mattress Black Friday deal. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get this Black Friday sale right here for the Nectar Mattress. And again, all you have to do, guys, is actually just click the top link down below in the video description, guys, and you'll be able to get access to this Black Friday deal for the Nectar Mattress right here. And as you can see, you can actually save quite a bit of money. So again, all you have to do is just click the top link down below in the YouTube video description, and that'll take you to this page right here, and you can actually, get yourself a Black Friday sale, or a deal in this case, right? So you can actually enjoy your beautiful new Nectar mattress during the holidays and even like in Christmas. And yeah, really save a lot of money at the same time as well, because essentially what you're gonna be getting right here for the Nectar Black Friday mattress, so as you can see, you basically get the 2 memory foam pillows included with you this particular Black Friday deal for the Nectar mattress, which is going to be worth $150. So that's yours, completely for free. And you save you actually like save like $100 right here as well. And you actually save a lot of money. And of course, this sale actually ends at this time right here. And if you're watching this video in 2020, because this video is in 2019, if you're watching this video in 2020, during Black Friday, this video will probably be most likely applicable, because again, all you have to do is just simply click the top link down below in the video description, and you'll come to the updated Black Friday page for your time, depending on when you're watching this video. But of course, you're probably watching this video in 2019. It doesn't really matter when you're watching this video, because during Black Friday, the Nectar Mattress normally have some sort of like discount for you, some sort of like Black Friday sale, and they always do. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's Black Friday Nectar Mattress deal video. So yeah, just click the top link down below, and you'll be able to get that Black Friday sale discount right away. And yeah, thanks for watching today's video.